Video now to show you how to change screen resolution in Windows 10. So guys, if you want to change screen resolution in Windows 10, so very easy. Firstly, right click, after click on display settings, after click on display, after click on this drop display resolution. If you want to use after as you like, after click on that, click on keep change. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to change screen resolution in Windows 10. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.